This is my umbrella that I use for shade in my boat. It's a 9-foot umbrella that I got at Walmart. I climb up in the boat here. Okay. So there's a top. I bought some tent pole or tent strings from Amazon. So there's 4 of them in each corner. So I have the mounted in a rod holder screwed to the side of my console. Got the crank on it. You can see there's a attachment point there and one over here. Same on the other side. And they tie down to the cleats that are on my boat. There's one back there, one over there, and one here. It's just got the sliding lock mechanism on it, so it keeps it pretty taut. You try to spin it, don't spin very much, and that just keeps it, if the wind ever grabs it, keeps the wind from blowing it out. Works pretty good. Mainly use it when the wife comes with and she don't want to sit out in the shade, or if we go to a beach in the boat or something. But yeah, that's my umbrella.